ana wutumi kyerɛ me bia afa so honhom ne honam fam da wo kasa na wa adwe sɛ wa ban aba na ne nananom kasa
abuza from mu nyina makɔ aba e de ba Ghana Nsɛm TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne ye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
ana wutumi kyerɛ me bia afa so honhom ne honam fam da wo kasa na wa adwe sɛ wa ban aba na ne nananom kasa na wa hwɛ kasa mu yie na wo 2 years or 4 years ni 8 years no person nya nananom kasa tia wo hwɛ a wo be check fufuo ayi pomama na sene wo tentene every say kuro ne wo wura saa de person ni person nso me nipa te sɛ wa nanso minim nipa me ye ensu e Ghana ha nyina fo honim party edu party bi no entimi nhwa me obi amadwuma ana wutumi kyerɛ me bibia afa so honhom ne honam fam saa de person ni person nso me nipa te sɛ wa nanso minim nipa me ye ensu e Ghana ha nyina no minim sɛ de wo mte ba bia na wo nim ani tell me kan sɛ wo bu nkrofo bi bo abewu dana
na kyerɛ nipa bi ho a omo ye amanyosem wade amu ye mu
ade atutu asem pese e kire se e na ya ban na wo so na wa ban na wo so wa ban no ye de Ghana hye ne nsa ye mfie 9 abro so mfie nwotwe ye de hye ne nsa keke Ghana nya ne de
enti na me sankrofo na omo kasa no ti se aban tie no obeye kwan na omo mfa so bia na
anu na me kire wo enta me ka so
Dompem edi kudan apopem district assembly wa omo de petition akwa ADC ya all
Wa wote wono sabe wonim de wo ye meanwhile ensini mereso me have video ni sa na bisa say eti public accounts committee no ye ntimi nya no foforo sanka ECG boss ana wo ho sa mre na odi sanse hunu no ni akwatwe de na betra so o mekire de enti a hotel nko over 12 million Ghana cedis. Wabra cable ayira. But on no tifie. Obi anu abere hwe. When na be bibi. But the waba foforo no. Ni asesa ne amani nyina ne de abegu ne pona no. Afibia na auditor general kwan ne report de aba. Na ya tena ho ne yakwan. Ne ya tena ho ne yakasa. Ne ya tena ho ne ya kyerɛkyerɛm. Ne ya frɛ financial expert. Ya
nyina ye tua ne taku sempoa. Obi akari koko be bag du. Wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. Satam 31 million so nka 300 and something million. Ai, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nkyene di. No asan fa fom kɔ. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto ayi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni say na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me say Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem. Na koko kurani akwaji ni sika. Otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem. Na da ho Uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Your mama by oh sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money on tua. Because oh yeah Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfu otukwa nyasi akomo o maduro wa fa nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asemba fa we afutuo obi asemba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asemba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nke ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye ho no ene wo na ho hye ho no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu DJ Mrs. wa we are nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ and then I'll show no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saga wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, they are equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say here hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for Akromfo. Name Akromfo to sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, na mo so mo ya Akromfo. Akromfo to facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya Akromfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to Butu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not encanfo mu gafo catch up say, oh, gafo de oh, na mo de onye kinki na mu here utilization bia. And I gafo so okay, you better ba na ma boom 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 boom. Mo to ba ma kinki government it me
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about council of state member voter region. Now me say fiam hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.